When you open up your box of 449 hubs, you're going to get 2 internal mount Dana 60 hubs. You're going to get the Allen wrench and a handle. And you're also going to get 2 sets of snap rings and spiral lock rings. And a set of instructions. This is everything you will need to install your mile marker 449s on your Dana 60. After you've removed all the factory components, you're going to want to make sure that this area is cleaned. The snap ring groove in here, you need to make sure it's clean because that's where the snap ring and the spiral lock ring is going to ride. You're going to want to make sure that there is a light film of oil on here and on the base. You will slide the base in. Next, you're going to want to put in the lock ring. Next will be the spiral lock ring. Making sure it is fully in place. When you go to install the cap assembly, you're going to want to make sure that the cap is in a free position. There is an alignment pin on the back side of the cap assembly that lines up with the base assembly. You're going to want to install all 6 of the Allen screws before you tighten it down. You will want to tighten them in a cross pattern. You will want to next check to make sure that the hub goes into lock and free position. Lock, free. For times when it's winter, we include a handle to make the job easier. If you have any more questions, contact our customer service or contact us on the web.